Well, hi everybody. Welcome to week 2 of gymnastics at home. So, last week we talked about your stretching and your conditioning and then your lesson plan. So today the stretching, of course, it's not going to change. Please keep focused on it. Do it right. Do it to the best of your ability, just like coach was sitting there watching you. Okay, so the stretching won't change. So next is going to be our conditioning. Now, on our conditioning list now, we're going to be adding numbers. Excuse me. Hey, get out of here. Okay, so we're gonna be adding some exercises and changing up some numbers. So if you take a look at this, you see our push-ups, they don't change, but we're gonna be adding elbows in. Okay, another set of those. So what that means is your first set of push-ups, we wanna track our elbows out now, so they go outwards to the side. And our second set of push-ups, we wanna bring our elbows inward. So they're gonna touch your ribs, just like we're on bars. We don't wanna be on bars on like this. Okay, next we move on to the ball. Now if you see on the ball, now we do a set with both hands. Okay, so it's both hands on the ball. Now for this one, it's gonna be very hard to go all the way down. If you can, do it. If you can't go all the way down, go about halfway down. Okay? The number's the same, it's still 5 if you're a bronze, 10 if you're a silver, 15 if you're a gold. Now, the Spider-Man, we still just do the same time, but when you're done with that time, you go right into push-ups. Now, for these push-ups, again, going all the way down is kind of tough. I recommend getting like a small stuffed animal and go down and touch your head to that. Okay, so we added the handstand push-ups. Okay, so next we have our lunge kicks. Now, you see this looks a little funny because it goes 10 and 10, and then it goes to 3. 20, 20, and it goes to 3. And then for golds, we were adding the jump. Now we're gonna add a split. So for the bronze and the silver, we're gonna add a pulse there. So what that means is when you stand up, your back leg, your arabesque leg, you'll stand up and it'll pulse. So 1, 2, 3, keeping it very straight. All the way up, 1, 2, 3, and then back down. Hands on your hips, and that's pretty clear. So 3 pulses for bronzes, 5 pulses for silvers. Now, if you're gold, before we were adding the jump, when you land, I don't know, 3 to 5 pulses, pick it. But the jump now is gonna be a split jump. So from one leg, you'll go up, split jump, land in arabesque, do your pulses. Does that make sense? Not like you can answer me. Okay. Now on the squat kick, we're just adding a little bit, okay? So for our bronzes, we're gonna add 3 more. So we do 10 and 10. For our silvers, we're gonna add 4 more. So you got 15 and 15. And for our golds, we're adding 5 more, 20 and 20. Okay, we wanna try and get this done in the same amount of time that we did before. Now our toe raises, those aren't gonna change. Those will stay the same for right now. These should be done pretty slow. Don't rush on here. Now, let's see here. Now on these numbers, if once you've gone through this list a couple times, if it's feeling too easy, add numbers, So let's say you did 5 this day, you want to try and do 7. Do 7 and do 7 all the way down. Okay? You'll be really tired at the end, I promise you. Okay, if you want to do more here, same idea. Okay? Pretty simple on conditioning. Make sure you're doing it every day. Now, there's something that's not on the board, and I think I talked about it last week, but I don't remember. If you need to find a way, find a place to do pull-ups. Okay, hanging from the bar, pulling your chin up to the bar, and back down. Okay, if you don't do your chin-ups, you're gonna have a hard time when you come back to gymnastics. So